Focus on what you want and not what you don't want. When I lived in Poland during the communistic regime, we did not have much money. Several of my friends traveled to Germany or Sweden during the summer vacation to make some extra money. One summer, some of my friends were going to Finland for some internships. I was not able to qualify for them because although I had very good grades, I did not belong to a communistic organization of youth, and it was one of the requirements. But I wanted to go with them. I could focus on negative and complain that this is not fair, being upset. I decided, however, to focus on what I wanted, and it was to go with them. I decided to organize this trip by myself and then join them there. Since I was there by myself, I was free to organize my jobs how I wanted. And I also could stay longer. I stayed there for 4 months. I worked 2 jobs. I was so tired that sometimes I slept in the restroom on the floor during short breaks at work because I was hardly able to stay awake. But I saved every penny I made. I brought back to Poland $10,000. It was a fortune. I was so proud of myself. It was a challenge, but I won. This has proven to me that everything is possible. We just need to focus on what we want, work hard, and the universe will do the rest. What are you focusing on? Do you want to regain your mobility? Do you believe you can do it? Or do you believe that the only solution for you is the joint replacement? The choice is yours. We are here to help you. Like, share, or comment this video if you find this information useful.